Welcome back to Muscle Car Central. I'm Ben Tucker. I've got us a Camaro. There's a motor in there. When we're on this car, we had Jerry Fry. He found his forever home on the beach, and we're thankful for everything he's done to this car. But to get this done, we needed to have some reinforcements come in, and we did just that. We found some new people. I'm going to introduce you to them here in just a second. But this car really, it sat for about 6 months. We were busy filling your order so you could finish your car. But let me tell you, we're back on it, and we're going to make this car something that I can drive. Anybody at our shop can drive. So that's really why we built this. We want to showcase the parts we pull off the shelf and put on it. It's stuff you can do in your garage. We did it here in our garage. But, you know, doing that, we've really learned a lot about it, and we want to thank a lot of the people that helped us in this build. I mean, Holley, that air cleaner on that car is killer. When you open the hood, it looks like it's a 67 air cleaner. The front mount system they supplied just came out so beautiful. Chad Kennedy Performance, went through that motor. He put a BTR Stage 1 cam in there, so it's not too aggressive, but it's something that's going to be a little more than stock. But it's also going to let somebody like me and our staff drive. So we're really enjoying this car in this build. We have American Auto Wire. We've got a lot of the wiring run. We've got the hidden rain gear wiper system installed functioning. We've got new Relics power windows with the new cranks. You saw that in an earlier video. We have a lot of stuff from OER that supplied the glass, the console. Really, Distinctive Industries supplied the whole interior kit. So this car literally is stuff that we sell, we pull off our shelf, and we're very excited to be showcasing it, using it in our own car. Doing that, we learned a lot of stuff. I know Jerry gave you a lot of tips and tricks. And you're going to meet a new gentleman today. Dean Taylor is going to be helping us put this car together with the help of Austin Ratliff from our shipping department. So these two guys are going to make this car come back to life. So let's meet them. So let's start with Dean. I mean, I know you've got like 40 years of building cars. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm a master mechanic. Done this my whole life. I have a lot of fabrication background also. So I'm excited, and
We're excited to have you, Dean.
I'm thrilled to be here doing this.
I mean, yesterday there's no motor in there. Today I come back, there's a motor in there.
Yeah, and there will be a lot more very soon.
Pretty dang cool. Yeah. Austin, I've worked with you for quite a few years now, probably like 8 years. You know, you've been in our shipping department.
Yep.
You build cars on the side on your own cars.
Weekends.
Yep. And now you're over here helping us build this car. Tell us a little bit about you.
Well, I'm no master mechanic like Dean here, but I've been doing it since I was about 8 years old. I had a car around, always had a car, old car. And then we had an old Camaro sitting around, and I got old enough to figure out what it was, and ever since then, I've been buying parts and coming up with the money to fix it up.
I'm pretty sure you have a Camaro tattoo. I mean, it's in your blood.
67, and then the third gen body.
That's what I'm talking about. Camaro guys right here. So Dean, I mean, you got a young blood, man. You can teach this guy some of your tips and tricks. I'm excited for both of y'all to work together. I really
work
am.
with him.
He's got some really neat tools that I haven't seen before.
He's a master mechanic. He's got all the tools.
Yep.
I saw his toolbox. I was like, this guy's legit. I really did. Before you came in, I was like, man, this guy's legit. Well, we're excited to have you. So both of y'all, man, maybe tell us a little bit about this car. I can give you what I know about it, and then being a master mechanic, and it really, you've done LS swaps. So, you know, we ended up with the 2010 drivetrain. We decided that the big old transmission wasn't going to work, so we're working on a transmission. We're really want to put a 4L65E in there, keep electronic control to go with what Holley provided. Chad Kennedy, you know, put all the Holley front mount system on it, the intake. We've got the air cleaner just sitting there. We've got to put the throttle body up there. I mean, so Dean, what's our next move here?
Well, I think fuel system. I think we're going to go ahead and plumb that. We're going to get the throttle body mount on, radiator in, and all of the mechanical details. And then after we get that, we'll finish the AC and the heater hoses and all of the wiring.
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 Austin's favorite.
We need to get the I did it column installed, but it'll all come together in
There's
phases.
more videos to come on the parts.
Yeah.
We're going to try to really get the videos of all that for you guys. We have the people with the knowledge. We want to share that knowledge. When you buy those parts from us, if there's something you got to ream out, you know, if you have to add a connector, if there's some kind of minor modification, we want to let you know so it's not a surprise. Not everything comes out of that box is ready to go onto a car. It might take a little massaging. And that's something we want to teach and tell you all. And these two guys are wonderful. I'm excited for the future on this car. I really am.